Hey there, party people. Get ready to turn your event into the ultimate splash zone with Big Kahuna Party Rentals. If you're dreaming of a water-soaked adventure, we've got just the thing for you, our fantastic inflatable waterslide rentals. Imagine this. Your backyard transformed into a watery wonderland, kids and adults alike sliding, laughing, and making a splash. With various sizes and designs, our inflatable waterslides are the perfect recipe for a day of wet and wild fun. But wait, there's more. We're not just about fun. We're about safety and quality, too. At Big Kahuna Party Rentals, each waterslide is meticulously maintained and undergoes thorough safety inspections. So, you can be sure your event will be a blast and safe. Our inflatable waterslide rentals are the perfect way to beat the heat and make a splash on any occasion. Ready to make waves at your next party? Contact us at 315-806-2172 or visit our website at www.kahunaparty.com category waterslides to check out our fantastic selection and book your inflatable waterslide rental today. Let's make your event the talk of the town. Big Kahuna Party Rentals style.